Hello, this is Cameron from United Credit doing a video on our apartment package. I'd like to show the results with the trade line post. The apartment package consists of a CPN tri-merge with a trade line. Usually the score comes in about 700, low 700s. In this case, 706, which is usually high enough to rent an apartment or a house. It takes about 2 weeks. The cost is $550. The trade line is a capital one. Let's see here. $300 limit. It's about a year and a half old, which is more than enough to give it a 700 plus score. Again, this is great for renting apartments and houses. We've done this now for about 3 years now. We've helped many people rent apartments, rent houses nationwide. So again, we have 10 spots of these available every month. Call us. My name is Cameron, 202-213-2218. We do these videos at least twice, 3 times a month, just showing that our trade lines are still posting and the apartment package is still working very well for our customers. We also have other trade lines as well, over 400 trade lines. If you need trade lines for your personal profile or for any other CPN, we have many trade lines available to show you. Go to tradelines.biz for a list, or text us for a list as well. Text 202-213-2218 for a list of our CPN trade lines. And that's it for today. Subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Also, we're still doing credit repair. If you need your credit fixed, we have a credit sweep program. It takes 90 days, works very well. And that's at creditsweep.us. Creditsweep, SWEP.us. Thank you. Have a great day.